Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accessibility section. Firstly go to additional settings, then go to the accessibility, and then to the TalkBack. Here you can enable TalkBack. After that, TalkBack tutorial starts, and it starts like talking non-stop because that's how TalkBack works. So when you're in a TalkBack mode, like every time you tap on any button, like your phone spells what is this button. So when you're in a TalkBack, in order to perform any action, you have to firstly select it and then double tap it. Select, double tap. For example, double tap, stop, double tap. And that's how you can turn it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.